Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale. We are going to be doing a what sold video today. Sorry, I've been so behind on videos. I'm not sure which one is gonna upload first, but I'm filming a couple different videos today because for the past 3 days, my kids have been sick with the flu. So before my body decides that it wants to start getting sick, crossing my fingers, I have not gotten sick yet, but they're finally better and I'm finally able to get back to working. So we are going to go through sales from December 1st through December 7th. It was a great week. We sold $1,213.60 with 32 items. So that is a great average sale price. And I'm going to pop it right here, right now. Definitely higher than what I normally am doing, but I was listing quite a bit, and I was listing quite a bit of shoes too. I'm not sure if that's all that, I can't really remember what sold, to be honest, so we'll go through it. So, before I get into the what solds, I do also want to preface that I have cross-listed most everything over to Poshmark, and I make between $250 and $350 a week now. Sales aren't the best on there, but that's an extra $1,000 something that I can put towards my debt that I'm trying to pay off. I'm working the Dave Ramsey plan. We are trying to get our debt paid off, and it's really helping. So the time that I spend over there, I do use Posher VA, is definitely worth it because I'm not spending a ton of time doing all of the posh things that you need to do. But anyway, that is that. I just wanted to, be transparent with that. I don't have time to go through all of the Poshmark sales, but eBay is my main platform. That's where I make the most money. So that is what I'm going to go through. So the first thing to sell was this Lululemon light blue cropped t-shirt, laser cut, and it did not have a size tag. So I estimated it was a size 4 to 6. I got this in my ThredUp 200-pound rescue box, and it sold for $18 plus shipping. So the buyer was $24.43 all in. That was a great sale. I cannot wait to order more of those bulk boxes. It's going to be a great avenue for me to source from now on because I got so many good things. And the things that weren't good, I either took to the buy sell trade or I sold on Facebook Marketplace for $5 each, and it was a beautiful thing. So anyway, the next thing to sell is this Lululemon all aligned midi dress in spiced chai, size 12. It's the Nulu fabric. This was actually an online exclusive. I found it at Style Encore for $32, I believe. And it sold for $70 plus shipping. So the buyer was $78.99 all in. It did sell global shipping program. So next thing to sell were these vintage Doc Martens, men's size 6, women's size 8, leather brown Oxfords, made in England, Y2K, 90s style shoes. I used all those tags because people are searching for those still. It's been a long time since Y2K has been in style, but I don't see the trend slowing down anytime soon because the things that I list Y2K sell so fast. So these sold for $35 plus shipping. So the buyer was $48.26 all in. These had quite a bit of wear, and I think I only paid $5 for them. So I went ahead and let them go for the $35 and moved on. The next thing to sell was this Coach navy blue edge sling backpack bag, leather black handbag. I'm not sure why I put black in there. Hopefully I don't have any issues, but this I bought off of somebody in my town that was cleaning out their closet for $40, and it sold for $100 plus shipping. So the buyer was $123.34 all in, and that was a beautiful sale. I love selling handbags, especially newer Coach does really well. This American Girl doll, retired chestnut horse, brown 18-inch doll. It was just an American Girl branded horse. Sold for $30 plus shipping. So the buyer was $48.99 all in on that one. And I think I paid maybe $5 at a garage sale. I am well into the profit on all of my American Girl doll stuff. So happy about that. These Just One You Carter's Christmas jammies are still selling very consistently. I sold 2 pairs to the same buyer for $7 free ship. So paid a little bit of shipping on that. I'm assuming I made $9. And I only paid 99 cents a piece last year when they all went on 90% off clearance, so that's fine with me. These Ashro black faux leather straight leg pants in a women's size 14 sold for $12 plus shipping, so the buyer was $20.92 all in. These were actually mine. I had purchased these at a Style Encore for I think $6, so I did actually profit a little bit on them, and I did wear them a little bit as well. Gotta love that. This American Girl, the Trail Bike 2 retired 2015 18-inch doll, and it has a little bike trailer on the back. I paid $10 for this at a garage sale, and it sold for $75 plus shipping, so the buyer was $96.71 all in. People are buying their Christmas presents now. So if you have things that people could be gifting, I don't know if it's too late, but you might want to list them like yesterday. These vintage Xena dark wash jeans, Y2K retro relaxed fit straight 100% cotton mom jeans, sold for $12 plus shipping, so the buyer was $20 all in. I know I hauled these on this channel, so I haven't had them for quite a year yet, but it's probably been 6 months since these have been listed, so when that $12 offer came in, I jumped on it. The next thing to sell was this Carhartt brown corduroy collar canvas workwear coat jacket, men's large, made in the USA. These, I'm telling you guys, these Carhartt corduroy collar, made in the USA tag coats are sought after. I actually found this in my mother-in-law's basement, and it apparently was my husband's. I've never seen him wear it, and I've known him for 12 years now. Has it been that long? Yeah, we're high school sweethearts. But anyway, I was like, I don't even think this is yours, but I washed it up and listed it. I originally listed it for $68, and within minutes, I got 3 offers. So I edited the listing and raised the price to $80, and within 2 hours, it sold for full price at $80 plus shipping. So the buyer was $99.48 all in on something that was in somebody's basement, and I didn't even have to pay for it. So love that. This Burberry Brit Nova check shirt in a women's plaid short sleeve button front small petite sold for $50 plus shipping, so the buyer was $60.16 all in. I got this at a church garage sale over the summer. There's a gnat flying in my face. And I'm into the profit on that, so I hadn't listed this because it had like a little slight stain on the front that I had to spot treat. But I got that out. I listed it for 100. Someone came in at 50, and I said, you know what? This is free to me basically. So that's free into $50, and I will take it. The next thing to sell is these American Eagle medium wash bootcut men's jeans in a size 28-30. They sold for $9 plus shipping, so the buyer was $17.62 all in. Honestly, I'm gonna slow down on picking up American Eagle jeans. They don't sell for very much anymore. They used to sell 20, 25 bucks. Now it's more like 15 that they will sell for, but these were a much older style, so I went ahead and sent a $9 offer just to get them out, and they took it. This Tahari gray velvet blazer in a women's size 10-12. This also did not have a size tag. It also came in my thread up 200-pound rescue box. It sold for $17 plus shipping, actually same day I listed it. I was very surprised. I honestly didn't even want to list this item. I didn't think it was going to sell in a timely manner, but somebody apparently wanted it and paid $25.99 all in for it. So that was a great sale. This Chaser ribbed mineral wash pink zip-up sweater in a women's size extra small sold for $15 plus shipping, so the buyer was $22.72 all in. And I got that at a 90% off sale at Style Encore, so I bet I'm like less than $2 into that. These Eileen Fisher gray cropped 100% wool pull-on pants in a women's large sold for $15 plus shipping, so the buyer was $22.99 all in. Now I have had these forever. The waistband was kind of rolled on them, and they also looked like they had been shrunk, so I did note all of that in my listing, and when the $15 offer came in, I went ahead and took it. Okay, so the next thing to sell, these Depart West brown taupe pullover hoodie in a men's size large from The Buckle. This brand is a buckle exclusive. I had bought it from somebody locally on Facebook Marketplace. I think I only paid $2 for this, and it sold for $20 plus shipping, so the buyer was $28.99 all in. I'm telling you guys, buckle brands do sell. You might sit on a few for a little bit, but I have enough storage, so that was totally fine with me. Again, these Just One You Carter's jammies, I had a set of 2 and then a set of 1 sell to the same buyer. So they were all in at $16.50, and I think it shipped first class, so I might have made a little over $10 on that. This is a good sale. This Johnny Was Workshop green camo embroidered button-up shark bite hem top in a women's large sold for $90 plus shipping, so the buyer was $108.25 all in. I bought this at Style Encore for $32. I'm telling you guys, if you know your brands and you look through all the racks in your Style Encore or buy sell trade store, you're gonna find so many items that you can flip for a profit. So I made like a $50 profit on that after fees. This Lularoe, I know, Lularoe coming in after Johnny Was. Lularoe Disney Mickey Mouse Pluto short sleeve shirt top in a women's size medium. I got this for free, so that sold for $7 plus shipping, so the buyer was $12.57 all in. I'm honestly just shocked that after the Lularoe documentary that Lularoe still sells. But anyway, we all know my stance on MLMs, and just a fair warning, if you don't agree with the business model of MLMs like I do, I would not recommend to post about it on Facebook. I got so much backlash from my friends and family over, it wasn't my family, it was just my friends, over my stance on not supporting MLM companies. Like, it was crazy. Anyway, I live in a small town. Pretty much everybody around here is in an MLM. I have been in one, so I know, you know, everything, but anyway, I consume a lot of anti-MLM content on YouTube. So next thing to sell is this Patagonia blue winter baby bunting snowsuit in a newborn or size 0 to 3 month size. It sold for $45 plus shipping, so the buyer was $56.22 all in. I paid $10 for this at Once Upon a Child. I averaged out my cost of goods that day. So I was honestly didn't know if I should have bought it or not because it didn't have actual down in it. It just had polyester fill. But honestly, that doesn't matter with Patagonia apparently, because it sold in a matter of a week or two. And yeah, the buyer was $56.22 all in. So that was a great sale. This a Pea In A Pod wireless nursing bra, black maternity women's size 34D, sold for $5 plus shipping. That's definitely going to bring my average sale price down. So the buyer was $9.99 all in. I just went ahead and took whatever offer came in on this because I've had it for forever. Some bras sell lightning fast and some stay there. But bras are so cheap to buy at the thrift store that it really doesn't matter. This Lularoe, again, a Lularoe sale. And honestly, I have a theory. If Lularoe would have stuck to just selling kids' clothes, I think they would have been a lot more successful. Anyway, this Lularoe blue butterfly t-shirt dress in a toddler girl size 2T sold for $8 plus shipping. So the buyer was $13.90 all in. This was actually a really cute dress, and I toyed with keeping it for my daughter, but I could not dress her in Lularoe stuff. Sorry, I'm not judging anybody that wears it. I just could not put my daughter in that. This BuildABear brown dash hound wiener dog plush 6-inch. It was a BuildABear baby's little dog. And I had received a bunch of BuildABear dogs and they had their little babies with them from a family member, and we kept quite a few of them. The dash hound to this one had a big rip in the back, so we gave it to my dog. And then I went ahead and sold the little one because my son really wasn't interested in it. And it sold for $4 plus shipping, so the buyer was $9.73 all in, and it was like this big. It was so cute. This Just One You Carter's, again, another one of these jammies, sold for $6.50 shipped, so I only made like $1 on that, but I am trying to get these out. I bought way too many of them. This City Chic multicolor floral maxi dress maxi dress caftan, women's plus size medium /18. It sold for $15 plus shipping. So the buyer was $22.41 all in. I've probably had this for 6 to 8 months. I think it was supposed to be a dress, but it didn't have the slip part, so I called it a caftan. And yeah, hopefully that person is happy with it. It was very cute though. This 2016 Kelly Toy Care Bear Cousins Cozy Heart Penguin plush stuffed animal sold for $13.70, which was my full asking price, and the buyer was $19.81 all in. I did get this at the bins and it did go first class, so I paid under $1 for that. These Born black leather slip-on loafer dress shoes in a men's size 11 sold for $22 plus shipping, so the buyer was $33.28 all in. I had just listed these a couple of weeks ago and they had some wear, like some creasing on the toes. So I think I priced them at $25 and someone came in at $22. So I said, sayonara. This University of Iowa Hawkeyes Crable Sportswear 3-in-1 poncho stadium blanket. It was like you put it on and it's a poncho and it probably protects you from the rain and things like that during games. It sold for $20 plus shipping, so the buyer was $30.39 all in, and I think I paid less than $1 for that because I think they were having a tag sale or something at the thrift store that I bought that at. This Joie Light Peach pink sheer button-up formal blouse in a women's size medium sold for $12 plus shipping, so the buyer was $16.99 all in. I had listed this and I had gotten no attention on it, and somebody came in and asked me if they could pay me $12 plus shipping, and I said go ahead, because I think I paid maybe less than $2 for that at the 90% off Style Encore sale. This Cabela's Camo Winter Hunting Coveralls Bunting suit in a boy's size 6 regular sold for $40 plus shipping, so the buyer was $53 all in. I think I bought a couple of these at a garage sale for $5 a piece, and I kept one of them for my son, and then the other one that didn't fit him as well went on eBay, and it paid for both of them plus some profit. So yep, the buyer was $53 all in, and very, very happy with that. And the last thing to sell was this Our Generation Sleigh for American Girl dolls. I just kind of tagged American Girl dolls in there because a lot of people buy the doll and then they spend money on the American Girl doll and then they buy the accessories from like Our Generation or someplace that's just a little bit cheaper, because American Girl doll accessories are so expensive. So expensive. So this sold for $30 plus shipping, so the buyer was $49.16 all in, and that basically pays for my entire Our Generation lot that I bought for a Christmas present. So that Christmas present is essentially free. Yay! Super, super excited. And I just love getting stuff for free. You don't have to go into debt for Christmas. You don't have to break the bank for Christmas. Kids do not care whether you give them something that's brand new in the package or something that is used. It is us grown-ups that make that a big deal. So anyway, that is my video. I am going to put up again my average sale price right here. Again, I sold 32 items for $1,213.60. That was a great average sale price. Very happy with that. And that's the end of the video. So if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!